made it to the Solar Salon. It's across the street, so I decided to have some lunch before my appointment. I love sushi, so I stopped by this sushi place. And after that, I'm having my appointment. I'm super excited. I'm done with lunch, and I'm heading over to my appointment. I forgot to mention, this is actually a week-old wash and go. I had planned on washing my hair a few days ago, but I never got to it. So this is the fast wash and go that I did a week ago. So the other thing I need to mention is that I got my ticket a little bit 3 months ago, and yesterday I found out that there is a tropical storm. I think it's called Nicole, tropical storm Nicole, that will be heading through Jacksonville. So I'm going to get my hair appointment and then head straight back to the airport. I finally got to meet Elaine. I'm so excited. And her place is just beautiful. It's gorgeous.
I worked hard on it, so I'm happy to
yeah, and the famous green chair that I've been wanting to get in. I finally get to get in.
Love it. Perfect. I'm gonna do a curl by curl cut first, and then I'll adjust the shape of it. Because right now your shape is good. I think to keep you on track with the growing of it, a curl by curl will be best.
Okay. For places where I'm not able to get to with the hooded dryer, like for example, I have difficulty in these areas. You were saying that what is it called? A concentrator would be okay?
Yes, so putting a concentrator on your blow dryer can help you to get those areas. But you can also use it without the concentrator too.
Oh,
like,
I
even,
can.
Like how I just fluffed your hair with a Dyson. You necessarily have to have that piece. You just need direct airflow to the scalp area.
And like you said, it's not gonna cause heat damage.
Heat damage? No, it's not.
Okay.
You would have to literally be doing it every day, or like holding it there for an extreme amount of time. And I don't think your scalp would even be able to handle it. It would be burning.
What is one advice you'd give to somebody that wants to or is interested about starting the 30-day hair detox?
I would say to have patience, because your first wash and go, or even your first couple of wash and goes, are not your like ultimate wash and go. I think sometimes when you start the process, you can feel like, oh, it's not working for me, or these products aren't working for me. But typically your hair is recovering from being dehydrated for so long. So having patience with the journey, and not to compare yourself too much to people who have been wearing wash and goes for a long time, because their wash and go is not going to look like yours. But the more consistent you stay, you'll be able to see that kind of progress. Typically give it at least 3 months to see like a big difference, I would say. For you, how long did it take for you?
Oh, I feel like I really started seeing change like almost at like I would say 8 months or more.
Yeah, I think it's very easy to give up if you come in with the intention that it's going to look great right away. And also partnering with a stylist. I'm not saying that just because I'm a stylist, but even me myself, I didn't really commit to this journey until I got my first cut, because it wasn't looking right and it wasn't lasting as long as I would like without a cut. Because when I would fluff my hair in the morning, it would just look more awkward. So embrace partnership and a cut, I would say.
If they're not able to afford any of those courses or afford partnering with a stylist, what kind of tips can you offer them?
So I would encourage them to follow a lot of like the tight curl influencers in the space right now. So like Caroline, Jazzy, Ogaga. Like there are a lot of people who are documenting their journey, who like share what they're doing, and I think that can be very encouraging for you, even if you're not able to join a course yourself, or if you're not financially ready for a full course but you need somewhere to start. I have a free guide on my Instagram page. When you go to Instagram, you'll see like the pictures, the reels, and then like tagged photos, and then there's another thing there that will say guides, and click the one that says hair tips from a stylist or something like that. But yeah, I have some visuals there for you that can help you with like styling techniques. If you scroll through as well, there are videos of me doing like my hair from beginning to end as well, and talking through what I'm doing. So I think it's like 2 videos like that on there. That's completely free. So yeah, check it out.
Yeah, I will put the link in the description box so you guys can go check it out. I've looked at it and it's very useful.
Another thing too is to look for products that are not high in oil content. So when you go to a beauty supply store, look for ingredients that have a lot of extracts in it. Typically that indicates that it's a pretty good product. So it's derived from plants, and the reason we want to go for more plant-based products is it's not that we're trying to like save the planet or anything. It's more so because plants and water like each other. So you're at least promoting more moisture retention in your hair by at least using products like that. Some drugstore brands that I don't hate. I'm not saying they're like quality, but I don't hate them. Is um, TGIN, Meal Organics. I would stay closer to those than like using like Cantu or Shea Moisture or things like that. Like at least products that are trying, like even like a Camille Rose or something like that. You can still get started without knowing exact details of things. I also think if you're not able to partner with a curl specialist, let's say there's no curl specialist in your area, you should go to at least a natural hair salon that can give you a trim on blow dried hair. So that is at least getting rid of any split ends. Shape and stuff can come later once you've mastered your styling, but it's hard to even master your styling if you're having to struggle with split ends all the time. Your detangling is taking long. It just makes the journey not fun. If you haven't clarified your hair in a long time, I would say get a clarifying shampoo. A good clarifying shampoo that is easily accessible is the Kinky Curly Come Clean shampoo. There's also the Uncle Funky Squeaky. Usually, the way you can tell if it's a real clarifying shampoo, even if it's not any of the ones I've mentioned, is at least looking at the ingredients. If you look at the shampoo and it's saying it's clarifying, but all the cleansing ingredients, all the stuff that you can't really pronounce, like their surfactants, are nowhere to be seen, or there's a bunch of oil before those ingredients, then you know that maybe that product doesn't do exactly what it says it does. So just look at the order of ingredients on your products and see if it makes sense. If it's a shampoo, you want to see the cleansing stuff towards the top, and like other type of ingredients like maybe oil or other extracts should be towards maybe the middle or the end, depending on what the shampoo is supposed to do. So I know it definitely can be hard to access these things sometimes, but hopefully those tips can help you get started.
Yes, thank you for these great free tips.
Very cute. Love it. Yes.
Thank you so
You're
much.
so
I
welcome.
love my haircut.
It looks beautiful.
Yes, and so you said I can come back. We'll see, maybe 5 months. Yeah, we'll see.
We're gonna fill it out and see.
Where can people find you?
So you can find me on Instagram at Yesherstudio, Yesher Studio, and you can also find me. Psychronation is basically spreading this knowledge worldwide, specifically to like the Black diaspora. So catch me on those two places on social media, and I'll also be launching my next cohort soon, so you can join the wait list for that, which is linked in my bio. So yeah.
All right, thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
And I took a cohort, and it's fantastic. I've taken black girl curls, and then I took a cohort after that. I learned so much.
Cute. Yeah.
Back to my car, and I'm about to head home. So this trip took me the whole day, but definitely worth it. I will try and give some just daily hair update before I upload this video. So see you tomorrow. Day 2, my hair looks so good. I love the shape. I'm just happy with the shape. Beautiful. To the side, in the back. Day 3 here, my hair is still looking really good. It's nice and soft, but still has definition and volume. I have no flaking. Yeah, looks real nice. And I'll show you the back. The shape is shaping. Day 4 here, so I still have really good definition and volume with my hair. On this side, it seems to be a little more frizzy. I do sleep on this side, so I don't know if that's the reason, but yeah. definitely still pretty good, very good for me. So show you the back. One thing Elaine, the stylist, told me was that she noticed this area of my head, the hair is less coarse, and I actually agree with her. I did notice that I have, compared to the back side and my crown area, this area isn't as coarse as the rest of my hair. Another great day in this wash and go, day 5 here. Still strong, still shaping. Yeah, less definition on this side, for sure. But I have the volume, and here's the back. No flaking at all for me, none at all. So it's still looking really good. So usually I wash on day 5, but I do want to show you guys that this can definitely last a week. So I'll show you 2 more days, and then that'll be it. So here's my day 6. Still looking good. Definitely more frizz, bigger. And here's the back. It's the end of day 7. It did snow a little bit this morning, and I got some snow in the front on my way to the office, but otherwise it held up really well. I'll show you the back. So this hair still looks very good. I really don't have any flaking. Actually, I don't have any flaking. I still have good definition. Yes, there's more frizz, but I am gonna probably keep it a couple more days until I have time to wash my hair. But I just wanted to show you guys that yes, this can hold up a week or more. I'm pleased with the outcome. I'm glad I was able to make it to Jacksonville, Florida. It did require me to, save a little bit for the trip. I plan on making a separate video where I'll go over the cost for my entire trip, including my ticket price, the cost for my appointment, the cost of transportation to get from the airport to the salon, and any ancillary things that I might have paid for. Anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for the comments. I really appreciate them. And till next time, bye.